Polly, everyone says learning is different now. You don't need courses, you don't need teachers, you just need AI. So I decided to test that claim. For the next 7 days, I tried learning a completely new skill. Using only AI, no tutorials, no YouTube lessons, no human help. And honestly, the results surprised me more than I expected. Right now, people feel pressure to learn faster than ever. New tools appear every week, skills become outdated quickly. And beginners face one big question: where do you even start? Most people open 10 tabs, watch 5 tutorials, and still feel stuck. Learning becomes consumption instead of progress. So instead of watching more content, I wanted to see if AI could actually guide learning from zero. Here were my rules. Rule 1. AI would act as my only teacher. Rule 2. Every lesson plan came from AI. Rule 3. I followed instructions exactly. The skill I chose was simple enough to start, but difficult enough to challenge me. Each day, I asked AI, what should I learn today to improve fastest? Then, I followed the plan without modification. The goal was clear. Could AI replace traditional learning methods? The first lesson felt impressive. AI broke the skill into small steps. It explained concepts clearly. It created exercises instantly. It even adjusted difficulty. It felt personalized in a way normal courses never do. For the first time, learning felt efficient, and I started thinking, maybe education really is changing forever. But efficiency isn't the same as understanding. And I didn't realize that yet. I kept giving more material, more exercises, more explanations, more improvements. Everything looked useful. But something strange happened. I was learning faster, yet remembering less. Because A, I never forced struggle. It always made things easier. And real learning sometimes needs difficulty. B. Day 3. Progress slowed. Not because AI failed. Because I stopped thinking independently. I followed instructions perfectly, but couldn't explain concepts myself. That's when I noticed a hidden danger. AI can guide thinking, but it can also replace thinking if you're not careful. So I changed one thing. Instead of asking AI for answers, I asked it questions about my mistakes. Suddenly, learning improved. AI worked best as feedback, not authority. It became less of a teacher and more of a coach. And this changed the entire experiment. Now sessions felt different. I practiced first, asked AI later. Instead of passive learning, I created problems for AI to analyze. And progress finally felt real. Confidence returned, but differently, not because AI was smart, because I was participating. The biggest advantage of AI wasn't knowledge. It was speed of feedback. Normally, beginners wait hours or days to know if they're wrong. AI responds instantly. That removes hesitation. And hesitation is what stops most people from improving. After 7 days, yes, I learned the skill faster, but not for the reason people think. AI didn't replace learning, it removed friction. The real progress came from consistency, and AI made consistency easier. Here's the truth: nobody explains. AI is not a replacement for effort, it's a multiplier of direction. If you rely on it completely, you become passive. If you collaborate with it, you accelerate growth. The difference is subtle, but powerful. So can AI. I teach you a new skill. Yes, but only if you stay the learner. Because the future of learning isn't human or AI, it's both working together. And this experiment was only the beginning.